If you want to learn a mobile app, then you are in right channel. So here we are learning each and every step through React Native. So we are using React Native because it's going to support in both the device iOS and Android. So today we are going to learn about flags and their things, what's happening in the. So we have made a design over here using a flags. So flags is basically designed to provide consistent layout on different screen size. So if we are using any mobile like iPhone 10 or iOS or iPhone 5, 6, whatever. So with these flags, it will be uh, decide and it will consume all the area. So that's the thing actually. So here without any further delay, we are just going to write step by step flags, what how it's happening, and what's the step. We'll learn all the things stay. So please be patient and watch the video till end for learning that. So thank you for watching, and let's we will start the flags from starting. So all right. So here now we need to import the what I mean library from React. So first thing we will import React from React. So now we imported React from. Now we will import style sheet and text view from React Native. So we imported all these from React Native. Now we will make a const and we will define one function here. So this is my flags is a function name, and then we will open here. We need to write return. So whatever JSX code is writing over here, it will return on the simulator. So simulator, okay. So now we are writing one view, and inside view we are taking flags one. So just it's just a container type. So later we will take in one view and text. So okay, flag direction we are giving column, and then we are taking another view, and inside this view we will take flags 1. So it will take flags 1 in the sense it will consume all the area on that container. So we will understand all this through the simulator. Okay, so we have defined one more CSS. Background color is red, and justify container as center. Okay, so now we are closing this. It's a self-closing tag, and we will take another view and the same thing, but we will take here like flags 2. So it will take double area of that flags 1. So we can understand through the simulator in few once this will complete. So we are taking background. This time we will take another background. So we are taking dark orange, and now we are closing the view. So we'll take one more view to understand flags style, and then flags equal to, this time again I'm taking one so that we can compare what's happening in 1 and 2. So now we will background, and in that background we'll take a green. Now we'll close this as well. Okay, so now we are closing the main parent view. Okay, so here we done, and we are closing the function return. Okay, so now we are closing the flags function entire. Now we will take one CSS. We will create so cons, and we are creating styles, and equal to we are taking from this library itself. So styles dot create. Okay, we'll take for container, and this container we are taking flags 1. Also we are setting padding 20. Now we are closing this CSS, and we will export these flags, because if we are not using this export, it's not going to work. Like if you are going to see here in play like view, so it will throw error until we will not export. Suppose we are not writing these, so it will be not take on that. It will throw exception. But okay, so for now we are exporting my flags and closing. So once it will load, it will give the result to you. So we can see here all the things. Okay, it's take some time, so we need to, yeah, it's connected. So here we can see this one is a flags one, and background red we have taken, and flags 2 we can see double of area it has taken flags 2, and again flags 1 is taken here. So suppose I'm putting flags 1 here, and this one is 2, and this one is 3, then we can see what's happening. So it will increase more. Yeah, it's increase more. This is 3 times of 1, and this is 1, and this is 2. So this is the main use of flags. Hope you understand the concept of flags. Thank you for watching this video.